Good night, Miss Kiki. My name is Vincent Chin, and today I want to give my opinion about match between Indonesia and Bahrain. So I thought it was an entertaining match, but besides that, the match was a controversial match. Before that, allow me to inform you that this match was led by a referee from Oman. As we know, Middle Eastern countries are famous for their mafia cheating. So this match was led by a referee named Ahmed Al-Kaf. Yes, Ahmed Al-Kaf. There are many things that are detrimental to Indonesia, such as fouls that should not have accurate. And the worst thing was when Indonesia should have won, when there was 90 plus 6 extra time. But the referee held it until 90 plus 9. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this really made the Indonesian people angry because they felt they were really disadvantaged. So in my own opinion, I'm quite disappointed with the lack of professionalism on the field as a field judge. Uh, that is all, and thank you and good night, miss. I'm Vincent Chin, and I today want to explain about the question words. Okay, what are the question words? Question words are used to ask a question. They help us to get a specific information about people, things, place, time, reasons, or manners. As an examples like who, what, when, where, why, which, whose, and how. First is who. Who used to ask about a person. Who in Indonesia it means siapa. Examples like who is your teacher, who called you yesterday, and the second is what. What used to ask about things or activities. What in Indonesia it means apa. And examples like what is your name, what are you doing right now. Yeah, the third is when used to ask about the time. In Indonesia we say kapan. As an examples like when is your birthday, when did you arrive to. And the four is where used to ask about a place or location. Where it means di mana in Indonesia. Examples like where do you live, where is my book, where is my pen. And then the five is why used to ask about the reasons or cause. Why it in Indonesia it means mengapa. Yeah, as an examples like why are you sad, why did you leave early. And the six is which used to ask about a choice or selection. Which in Indonesia it means yang mana. As an examples like which color do you like, which color do you like, which one is your which one the best. And then whose used to ask about ownership or possessions. Whose in Indonesia it means punya siapa, kepunyaan. As an examples like whose bag this, whose car did you borrow. Yeah. And the last is how used to ask about the way something is done or someone condition. How in Indonesia it means bagaimana. As an examples like how are you, how do you make cake gitu. And then now have a summary of question words. Question words ya who, what, when, where, why, which, whose, how. Who used for person, what used for a thing or activity, when used for time, where used for a place, why used for a reason, which used for choice, whose used for a possession, and how used for manner. As an examples like who is your friend, what is that, when is your birthday, where are you from, why are you late, which book do you want, whose pencil is this, and how are you today. And then I have got a practice time, and yeah, try to answer this question. Okay, so thank you for the learning with me. Let's use question words in our daily conversation. Thank you. Good night.